Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add color to one of your silhouettes. So if on Pixlr.com, because we did this in our last video, if you go to File, Open Image, I'm going to pull up my image that I saved with color in it of a place that I liked, color that I liked. Right, you have some options for putting this in there, these colors, but one option would be to open up a new layer. We're going to open an image as a layer this time. So let's just say we wanted to put this as the pepperoni pizza slices, those colors in there. So we open the image as a new layer. We're going to edit the image by free transforming. So just gonna, and I'm gonna hold down Shift so it doesn't get weird. All right, I'm gonna hit Enter. I'm gonna title this layer. Okay, and hit Enter. All right, so what we're actually gonna do is select all the black areas. I need to up my tolerance. Okay, I might need to up my tolerance a little more. I'm going to hold down Shift and just pick up all these black areas. If you need to zoom in, you can. Alright, I think I got one more right there. And we're just going to hit backspace. And when you do that, the color will show through. Now if you miss one, you can always, go back in and add and then hit backspace again if you miss one. Alright, so what we've done is selected just the pizza and made that the colors of the background. After seeing this, if you don't want to use the picture that you saved, you can always go and Google and save a different one with different colors. Alright, what we got to do now is we're going to actually copy this into there, but before you do, you have to flatten this. So I'm going to flatten this image, and you see how all my layers went away? So that made the pizza in the background one. So I'm going to actually copy now, hold down Control, hit C. I'm going to go back to my original picture, and I'm going to paste it. Go to my move bar, and I can move this image around. So it would be very important to title that so I know where I'm at. Alright, if you wanted to adjust this in any way, now see how right there I went to free transform and it changed to my dog? That's because I was on my dog layer. So you want to make sure you're on the right layer. Hold down Shift we can definitely turn these pictures, however, and see where I cut into it now, it doesn't have that white around it. Alright, so one more thing about this, every day that you work on this, when you save this, it's going to flatten all your layers. So let me just show you that. Alright, so I'm going to save it. Alright, when I go to open that picture back up tomorrow, it's going to be flattened. So see how now it's all flat. So it's really important that we try to finish, have all these silhouettes already saved so we're not wasting time searching for those things. That way we can try to put them in and we have our layers that way, because right now I'm not able to move any of these around. Alright, another thing you can try is to save it each day, but also leave Pixlr open, but that may not work either. So alright, so that's how you would add color to one of these.